Hello everyone, welcome to Clearwater Physical Therapy. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch our little recruitment video. By now you've seen the recruitment package we sent to your school, and we are definitely interested in hiring a new grad from the graduating class of 2022. My coworkers are getting their clients set up here this morning in the other half of our clinic, so we're going to stay in more of the gym side to have this little conversation. So some introductions first. My name is Brendan Smith. I am the senior therapist and recruiter mentor here at Clearwater. I have been working in the profession for the last 11 years. I graduated from Dalhousie in 2011 and have been working here in Fort McMurray at Clearwater ever since. The owner of Clearwater, Shalene Dirk, has been in the industry for over 25 years. She opened Clearwater 19 years ago in 2003. She's a graduate from the University of Saskatchewan and recently finished her master's program in manipulative therapy from the University of Western Ontario. I would describe our clinic as kind of a mixed orthopedic, general ortho caseload, pretty much 100% musculoskeletal. We have a broad range of patients, everything from your industry-based injuries, being in Northern Alberta in the oil sands. We see a lot of, again, labor-based injuries, as well as your workers' comp, your motor vehicle. We have orthopedic surgeons in town, so your post-surgical. Our athletic population ranges from young people to adults, a lot of runners, a lot of gymnasts, a lot of hockey players. So, a decade plus of doing this, definitely seen it all from, again, a very mixed population, and being open for as long as we have, having that rapport with local physicians, chiropractors, dentists, case managers, and safety managers on site allows us a pretty broad, steady stream of patients to kind of keep it mixed up. So why we are looking to recruit someone from your graduating class? Unfortunately, one of our therapists and her family have decided to move, so a position is opening up. And what we are hoping to find is someone obviously interested in moving to Northern Alberta. What we're offering our new graduates with our mentorship package is two-tiered. Part one is obviously the clinical skill set to help work with hands-on skills, documentation, clinical reasoning, so that you can become a really good practicing clinician. The other half of it is the business side of mentorship that we really strive to instill in our new therapists. And as phenomenal as our education programs are at schools in Canada and around the world, unfortunately the time to really teach a lot of the business side of our profession isn't there. So when it comes to patient retention, caseload and patient management, patient compliance, those are things that we don't necessarily get to learn when we're going through school. So we really strive to teach how to do things I just listed off: keeping a clientele, keeping a client base, really selling yourself so that you keep your books full. There's a big difference from working in public practice versus working in private practice. And I, was naive when I was in your position coming out of school, where I assumed that just because patients would come see me, they would 100% come back as often as I told them to. There is a skill set that comes with this profession, and it is effort, it is work, and it is a grind to keep your days full. And that might sound scary and intimidating right now, but it should be, because it's going to be new to you. And our job comes in where we really want to teach you how to, keep your patients, keep them coming in, and not only extrinsically, rewarding from keeping them feeling better, and obviously we're all in this profession to make people feel better, but also your intrinsic value of walking into a full day of patients, lots of people to see, lots of things to do, and also, we've been in school for a long time, it's time to get working. The monetary reward of what working in private practice comes, because the ceiling is as high as what you want to make it to be. Anyone who works in private practice who tells you that anything is a guarantee, that's not necessarily true. We can offer you the potential to have a full caseload of patients, the potential to earn a six-figure income, and the potential to grow and excel in this private practice business. But the potential is there. It's up to you to want to grind through the work to get to a point where a full caseload of patients, every day in and out, is something that you can achieve. And that's something we can offer you, is teaching you the tools and the skill sets to get there. So if moving to Northern Alberta, to Fort McMurray, is something that is potentially interesting for you, thank you for putting your time into watching this recruitment video and reading our recruitment package. We're a city of 80,000 people. We're not at a Calgary or Edmonton or Montreal, but the city has a lot to offer. It's a family-friendly city. There's lots of opportunities and things to do up here. International and national mixing pot of people. And so it really is an opportunity for a new graduate to come and build their skill sets quickly, build a caseload, again, if they want to put in the effort to excel in private practice. So if that all sounds like something you're interested in doing, my email is on the flyer and in the description below. So please send me an email with your CV, and we can start a conversation. Because ultimately, we want someone who wants to be mentored, who wants to put the work in and get the reward out of the work that's going to come in. So thank you very much, guys. Good luck for the rest of your year in 2022 finishing school. Cheers.